This guide will walk you through the steps to perform a debugger. You will learn how to use the Facebook Debugger and LinkedIn Debugger features from the Social Sharing Tool plugin. Utilize Facebook's debugger tools to adjust how your content appears when shared. You can easily set or modify the image and details to ensure they look just right for your audience. The Facebook Debugger will open in a new tab. Click on Debug and proceed with the fetch if directed to do so. Time scraped refers to the moment Facebook last retrieved information about a specific URL when using the Facebook Debugger tool. Ensure you're viewing the most recent update by clicking on that button. This is the preview card for your sharing, displaying how your content will appear when shared on Facebook. Utilize LinkedIn's debugger tools to manage the LinkedIn post share cache. This allows you to set or refresh the information associated with your shared posts on the platform. Click on the LinkedIn Debugger button. Similarly to the Facebook Debugger, when you click the button, a new tab will open, directing you to the LinkedIn Post Inspector. Here, you can inspect the link and preview the results to ensure your shared content appears as intended on LinkedIn. This is the preview card for your sharing, displaying how your content will appear when shared on LinkedIn.